Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI. I was tired of these old, ugly hose holders in the front of my yard, so I found something to fix that problem. I love this beautiful garden hose holder. There are so many things I love about it. I love how durable it is. It was very easy to put together with a few instructions. I had it together all by myself. You stomp it into the ground and that baby is not going anywhere. I've had it up through all kinds of weather, through thunderstorms, through blazing sun, through lots of wind. I live in Ohio and we have a variety of weather here, and this thing has not budged out of the ground. I love that I can put my tiny little hose on it and it looks so good and pretty, and then I put this really heavy one on it and it's still just durable and it stands up to anything. So not only are you getting a functional garden hose holder, but you're also getting some beauty to go along with it. And who doesn't want a little extra of that? It's made from sturdy metal, so you know it's not going to fall apart, and I got it in this beautiful matte black color that matches my porch and my decor. I put it in this little garden alcove. It just looks so beautiful there. This hose holder is beautiful, it's functional, and it's durable. What else could you ask for? But that's just my point of view.